Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can remove a business account from Instagram. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead and open up your particular Instagram app, and first of all we're going to turn our account to business account. So we're going to go to this three horizontal line on top right corner, and then we're going to be going to this option of account type and tools. You're going to go to this switch to professional account, which will be simply the business account for me. Next, I'm going to be switching to professional account, and I have chose the business. I'm going to tap on next, and there we go, my account has been turned to a business account right over there. This is how it's gonna appear with this little dashboard. And now if I want to simply remove it or turn it off, I can tap on the horizontal line top right corner. You have to simply scroll down and then go to for professionals, and you will find this option of business tools and controls. Go ahead, tap on it, and then over here you're going to be able to simply go to the section of switch account type, tap on switch to personal account, and tap on switch to personal account, and then we're going to again go back and we're going to simply refresh it once. Right when we are over here in our profile, we're gonna again refresh it, and this, as you can see, it has been removed, and that is it. So I hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.